bubbler fountain is much less splashy and is a gorgeous way to bring the gentle, relaxing sound of water to an interior tabletop setting. With a couple of thrift store items, you can create this glass globe fountain. You'll need a glass globe from a light fixture. This one measures 25 inches around. Since the glass is clear and I'll want to hide the tubing inside, I'm also using frosted glass spray. You'll need safety glasses as well. A sturdy planter and a drip tray. The drip tray should be able to sit inside the planter near the top and not fall down inside. A fountain pump, protective gloves, marine epoxy, a marker, plastic tubing, and decorative rocks. A drill and 3 bits. One bit slightly larger than the tubing's diameter, a small pilot hole size bit, and a diamond bit slightly smaller than the tubing's diameter. Spray paint and a drop cloth. First, use the marine epoxy to seal any holes at the bottom of the planter. This type of epoxy will hold up underwater and stop leaks. Use the drill and the bit slightly larger than the tubing's diameter and create a hole in the center of the drip tray. Then, use the pilot hole bit to make smaller holes across the surface of the tray. Find dead center at the top of the glass globe and mark it for reference. The next step involves drilling into glass, so please wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Run a gentle stream of water on the spot where you'll be drilling. Beginning at an angle, start the drill and carefully hold it steady as it starts to create a divot. Once you have a bit of a divot, slowly straighten the angle out until you are drilling straight into the glass. Go slow, don't apply too much pressure, and let the drill do the work. The water keeps the temperature down so the glass doesn't crack. I highly recommend using a cordless drill so you aren't plugged into an electrical outlet while working with water. Also be careful not to get water onto the drill itself. The bit will be fine, but the drill should not be subjected to the water. Spray paint both the planter and the drip tray. I'm using Rust-Oleum's metallic oil-rubbed bronze. If you have a clear glass globe, use a frosted glass spray to create an opaque effect so you don't see the tubing inside. Since the outside of the globe will be in contact with water, I'm spraying the inside. Allow everything to dry according to the directions. Work the tubing onto the pump's adapter, then attach the adapter to the top. Place the pump and tubing in the bottom of the planter. Make sure the pump is on its lowest setting. The power cord should come out over the back. Fill the planter with enough water to fully submerge the pump. Run the tubing up through the hole in the center of the drip tray. This tray will fit either way, but I'm placing it upside down to create a little more height for the globe. Make sure it sits level inside. Work the tubing into the hole at the top of the globe. Since the hole is smaller than the tubing, it should be a snug fit and you won't need any additional hardware to hold it in place. Only a tiny bit should be visible on the top. The frosting spray nicely obscures the tubing inside. Add decorative rocks to hide the drip tray in the bottom of the globe. Once plugged in, the water should travel up the tubing, create a gentle bubbling effect on the top of the globe, and trickle down in all directions. The holes in the drip tray allow the water to make it back down to the pump and cycle back up again. On the fly, DIY.